Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by giving Zarchiver explicit storage rights. Open Settings, go to Apps, pick Zarchiver, then Permissions, grant storage. Once done, also enable Manage All Files Access in Special App Access. This is crucial because Android 13 enforces scoped storage. Without both permissions, Zarchiver can't read external folders. If Android prompts during first run, accept it. Otherwise, toggle the special permission manually. Doing this first avoids permission errors later when you try to extract or move files. Next, configure folder-level access using the Storage Access Framework, because Android 13 blocks broad file system reads. Open Zarchiver settings and enable Use SAF or Use Android SAF. Then tap the folder or SD card you need, choose Allow for that directory, and grant access to subfolders if asked. This tells the system to create a secure URI for Zarchiver, so it can list, extract, and write files. Make sure you select the exact folder, not just the root, when prompted. Finally, validate your setup by extracting a small archive into the folder you granted. If you still see access denied, clear Zarchiver's cache and app data, then reopen and regrant permissions. Reinstalling helps reset internal flags. If problems persist, revoke both storage and SAF access, reboot, then reauthorize them in sequence. One key troubleshooting tip. Confirm you granted the exact folder URI via SAF. Granting the wrong directory is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.